Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds Galaxy Buds 2. So, we have few options. We can use an application or we can try to factory reset it manually. To use an application you need to open Galaxy Wearable app. And of course your earbuds should be added to the application and you will see the same menu. But the application do not available for Apple devices, so you cannot find it on your iPhone, and maybe you need to wait for the second part with manual pairing, resetting. Now in the application you need to scroll down and go to earbuds settings. And right here at the bottom we have reset. Tap on it and then click reset again. It will remove your earbuds from the application and from your phone, so you need to add it again. Now let me show it for you. So we just reset it, then go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and if you have Android, click pairing device at the top. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. Now tap at your earbuds at the device list and then click pair. Now we can hide the settings and open Galaxy Wearable application to add it to the application. Click start. Right here we see these earbuds, tap on them. Then you can sign in into your account. I'm going to skip it. Right here we need to agree, and we add it to the application. Now what to do if you have connection problem or you have iPhone and you cannot use an application. Put your earbuds to the application, and after that press and hold at the touch areas what located at the back side right here between the dot at the top and dot at the bottom. So between them, in the middle, we have touch areas. You need to press and hold on them until the LED light inside the charging case start blinking red and green. Now go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and firstly let's remove these earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, and then forget this device. On my phone it's just in pair, but you may have forget this device or forget device. So you tap at it. Then if you have Android, click pair new device. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you just tap on them. And then click pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!